Hi there, in this video let's see how we can set the default lecture duration for your institute or school. Go to timetable and go to dynamic timetable. Here you can see the timings are 6, 6:15, 6:30, what the 15 minutes gap, and whenever you go and add a timetable slot, it is of 30 minutes or 1 hour. So suppose your timetable is of 35 minutes, your timetable slot is of 35 minutes or 40 minutes or 45 minutes. So you can change it by default. So whenever you go and add or drag and drop a timetable slot, it will change to 40 minutes or 30 minutes or 35 minutes, whatever you set. So click here on the settings like icon. Set the default lecture duration in minutes. As of now it is 35. Let's update it to 45 and click on save. Now see, the previous one is 8 am to 8:35 am. Now select your class and click on add timetable. Now drag and drop your timetable slot, and now it is 8 am to 8:45 am. So this is how we can set the default lecture duration for your school or organization or institute.